Stop scrolling if you are looking for tech freelancing skill that you can start in 2025, because in this video I'm going to tell you top 7 tech skills or freelancing skills you can start in 2025. So I'll tell you the real truth. There are different skills and there are different income. Some skills will give you pocket money, while some will give you real income. So let's dive into the video. Hey guys, I'm Benedict from Sketch Motion, and if you're time to my face, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to get more beginner friendly videos like this. Stick with me to the end because skill number 7 is so underrated and it's so profitable and people don't know that it exists. Now let's talk about why freelancing 2025 is a good mine. Now before we jump into this video, let's talk about why freelancing is very demanding right now. So first one is remote working is now normal. Now some companies like hiring people from home to work from home, sorry, because some companies don't have much space in their office or one problem or the other. So they prefer people working from home and delivering their work from home. Like you can be in US and be working for Nigeria. You can be in Nigeria and be working for the US. So remote work is now normal right now. That's why freelancing in 2025 is a good mine. So the second reason why freelancing 2025 is a good mine is the freelance economy is massive and now growing. Now in late or in 2024, it was worth $1.5 trillion, and in 2025 it is even bigger and going higher. So companies are looking for people who can save them time and even make them money. So right now the internet has made the world your office. So if you have the right skill, you can work from anywhere and you can work for anyone. Now let's dive into the 7 freelancing skills. The first one is AI content creation and strategy. Now AI isn't a threat to freelancers, it is an opportunity. Now if you know how to use AI effectively, it can be a source of income for you. For example, if you know how to use ChatGPT effectively, even 11 labs, you can use it in content creation strategy, which business need and pays for. You can have knowledge of writing blog posts 3 times faster with AI assistance, even creating ad copy and social media captions, even generating product descriptions at scale, and also creating AI generated images for marketing. Now, these are the skills or these are the knowledge you can have under AI content creation and strategy for a freelancing skill. And now, the income potential of this AI content creation and strategy freelancers, their income potential can be $30 to $100 per hour or $500 to $2,000 per project. Now, these are the actions you can use to start. Learn prompt engineering, which is how to give AI the right instructions. You can also build a small portfolio of AI generated content. You can also offer fast turnaround content packages on Fiverr or LinkedIn. Now, Fiverr or LinkedIn, they are freelancing platforms. Now, guys, here is the simple truth. AI won't take your job. It is the freelancer that uses AI that will. Now, the second freelancing skill or the second top freelancing skill is short form video editing. Now, people know that TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels are the fastest way to grow an audience. So, by making your footage and giving a video editor to make it engaging, you can grow massive audience. So now people pay freelancers for this work. Now the job for a freelancer is just simply to cut any unnecessary parts quickly, add captions and engaging text animations, use trending sounds and effects, and also make sure every second counts. And also to create and to develop a highly engaging video or short video. That is simply their work and they'll be paid for it. Now their salary or their income potential is $30 to $150 per video. Now this the platform or the skill to learn is CapCut, DaVinci Resolve and so on. So I must say short form video is the gold rush now. So try to learn it now. So guys, the third freelancing skill is UGC creation, user generated content creation. Now in this type of skill, you don't need a large audience. Like you don't need to have a large audience, but you just have to have audience. So now this type of skill is brands pay you to showcase their items on your platform. Now they record or they unbox or they do a short video of their items and they send it to you, and your job is just to post it on your own page and showcase it to your own audience. Now there are many people online that do this type of job. All these big accounts on TikTok, Instagram, they advertise for people also. So now their income potential is $50 to $500 per video. Now how to start this skill? You can create a niche maybe lifestyle, tech, niches. Now you can create 3 to 5 example videos of what you already own. Then you can reach out to brands via TikTok or Instagram or even their email. Now in 2025, you don't need millions of followers. You need the ability to create content that sells. Now the fourth top freelancing skill is chatbot creation and automation. Now businesses want 247 customer service without hiring humans, and now this is where chatbot comes in. Now this there are people that pays now people that create chatbots are in demand right now because business wants 247 customer services. And if you can create chatbots for websites, apps, e-commerce and even social media pages, you'll be paid big amount of money. So the income potential for chatbot creation and automation is $50 to $150 per hour or $500 to $2,000 per project. Now, companies still pay them for maintaining it. They can pay them over $200 to maintain it every month. And automation is the new oil. Business that don't automate will be left behind. Now, the fifth top 5 freelancing tech and freelancing skill is website and funnel building. Now, companies want an online home. And if you can create high quality websites, you will never be out of work. Now you can learn WordPress or Shopify. The income potential is $500 to $10,000 per project, depending on complexity. And I must say this: if you can build it, you can build for it. As the sixth top freelancing skills to learn is SEO content writing. Now, Google still runs the internet, and businesses need writers who can rank their websites. Now, SEO content writing is simply using or the ability to use keywords that can attract traffic or audience to a blog post. Now, businesses need more audience. So that is why these SEO content writers are in high demand. Just imagine you post a blog post with 10 views, 20 views. No, companies don't like that. They need content writers who can attract viewers, attract traffic per post. So that is why they're in high demand. Now the tools you can learn is Ahrefs and software SEO. So now the income potential for a SEO content writer is $50 to $200 per article. Now words still make millions if you know how to write for Google. Now the seventh or final top freelancing skill to learn is postcard editing and repurposing. Now podcasts are flying or they are very engaging, but to edit it is the main work. Now companies or businesses hire editors to edit this podcast. Now which is a stressful work. You have to cut out mistakes, you have to add audios, and you have to do different work for these companies. And if you know how to use one episode to create multi content which you can post on Instagram, TikTok, to be sincere, you can charge a premium. Now the tools to learn, you can use Descript and you can use Audacity. And now the income potential is $50 to $500 per episode. Proposing content equals to multiplying your client's income. Now, how to survive as a freelancer? Now, pick one skill to start. Don't try to do all 7. Then you can spend 3 to 6 months mastering it. Then you can build a portfolio and also start pitching clients. And platforms like Instagram, Fiverr, Upwork are gold mines for finding work. Now, specialists get paid more than generalists. Now, if you are serious about making money online in 2025, this freelancing skill, they are very good and you can use them. And if you feel that freelancing is exciting, wait for my next video, which is 9 boring but high paying remote jobs that can make you rich even without leaving your chair. So guys, if you like this video or if you found value in this video, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.